Have you ever wondered how to make money from YouTube? Welcome, world explorers, to the first step in your YouTube journey. Together we'll unravel the mystery of YouTube earnings, breaking it down to the basics. No need for any prior knowledge, we've got you covered. It's a universe filled with opportunity, and we're here to guide you along the path. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting adventure into the world of YouTube monetization. If you've ever been curious about how YouTubers make a living, then you're in the right place. The first step to earning money on YouTube is to set up your own YouTube channel. It's a straightforward process, really. Then start by creating a Google account if you don't already have one. Then, head over to YouTube, click on the Sign In button, and enter your Google account details. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon on the top right corner and choose Create a Channel. Now the fun part begins. You'll be prompted to choose a name for your channel. This is crucial. Your channel name is your first impression. It should be catchy, easily remembered, and reflective of the content you plan to produce. Speaking of content, make sure it's engaging. You're not just making videos, you're telling stories, sharing experiences, or imparting knowledge. Your content should resonate with your audience, so they'll want to stick around for more. Remember, your channel is your brand, so make it as engaging and unique as you can. Now that you have your channel set up, you might be wondering how YouTube monetization works. Well, it's all about capitalizing on the content you create. YouTube provides 3 main avenues for creators to earn revenue. Let's dive into each one. First, there's ad revenue. When you allow ads to be displayed on your videos, YouTube shares a portion of that ad revenue with you. It's like getting a piece of the advertising pie every time someone watches your content. Second, there's channel memberships. This feature allows your viewers to pay a monthly fee for access to exclusive perks, like badges, emojis, or bonus content. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged and generate a steady income. Finally, there's the merchandise shelf. This feature lets you showcase and sell your merchandise right under your video. It's a perfect way to promote your brand to your viewers. But remember, to start earning, you need to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Thus, monetization on YouTube is all about sharing ad revenue, offering paid memberships, and selling merchandise. However, to make money on YouTube, you need more than just a monetized channel. You need an audience, and not just any audience, but one that's growing. But how do you achieve that? Well, there are a few key strategies. Firstly, consider search engine optimization, or SEO. By using keywords and tags that are relevant to your content, you can make it easier for potential viewers to find your videos. Next, don't underestimate the power of social media. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. This can help you reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your channel. Lastly, consistency is key. Regularly uploading high-quality content can help you build a loyal audience over time. But remember, it's not just about the number of views. Engaging with your audience, responding to comments, and creating a community around your content can also help to keep viewers coming back for more. Remember, the more views and subscribers you have, the more money you can make. So let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We embarked on a journey to understand the world of YouTube monetization, starting from the basics of setting up a YouTube channel. We then delved into the intricacies of monetization, shedding light on how YouTube can be a lucrative platform. Finally, we explored strategies to grow your audience and increase views, the key to unlocking higher revenue. Remember, this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine.